Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is not only applicable to 2026 GMC models, but the last several years with the digital rear view mirror. I'm going to show you how to manage that mirror. Now, to turn it on, you just flip the lever right there forward. That's pretty easy. So what happens if you want to adjust things? There's a button right here on the left-hand side, and then you'll use these two buttons over here to make your adjustments. This is what we're going to do, is we're going to select the first thing. That's going to be the brightness. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can dim that on the left, brighten it on the right, then we can go to the next setting. That's going to be whether you are zoomed in or zoomed out, depending on how close you want things to be. You can do that here. Zoom out on the left, zoom in on the right, and then how about the angle? Well, we can change the overall angle. As you can see, we can raise that up or lower it. Left side lowers, right side raises, and there you go. That's how you adjust the digital rear view mirror on your GMC vehicle. If there is another tutorial you would like to see me make, I may already have it. I can just give you the link to that video if I do. But tell me what you would like to see, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.